Hi, everybody. I just wanted to go over the last and final week of the summer session module with you guys. So if you've made it this far, congratulations. So for week 5, always go check inbox for any emails I may send you, and also check announcements for the assignments for the week. When we go to announcements, you'll go to week 5 summer session, click on that, and you have 4 assignments this week. And they're all due by July 15th, the last day of school. And you've got a quiz, the most effective workouts to get in shape in the least amount of time. Have a PFT leg raise test, a cardiovascular assignment, and your fitness log. So to access those assignments, go ahead and click on modules, and it'll first take you to the weekly attendance. Let me put it in student view. So don't forget, you guys have to do your daily attendance. And you have until 3:30 every day to do these. So make sure that you log in first thing in the morning. Just check in the discussion board. Just put you're here. But you have to make sure you get these taken care of daily. Okay, so then we scroll down to week number 5 summer session, and you've got your quiz. So if you click on here, you click on the reading. Take a look at the reading. If the page doesn't automatically load, just click the white bar up here, and then it'll take you to the article. And then once you've read that, you'll go ahead and open up your quiz, and you can, I've also linked it here just in case, and you can start taking your quiz. You've got 30 minutes to answer 10 multiple choice questions. And to take it, you just click the blue button. And then you've got your leg raise test. So here is an example of what leg raises are, how to do them. And then your instructions are, here are like the step-by-step instructions on how to do leg raises. And then your assignment, you will just perform as many leg raises as you can without stopping, and then you go ahead and report your score. So in order to do that, you'll just click take the quiz, the blue button, and then report your score there. And then for your fitness log, so you guys have been doing this already for the last few weeks, so just wanted to give you a warning. I'm going to check your fitness logs, and the reason why I had you guys send me a Google link or Google Doc is so I can compare to make sure that your fitness logs are different every week. So please make sure, if they're not, it's your time to adjust them and fix them. Make sure that your fitness logs are all different and authentic. I don't want you just sending me the same fitness log week after week. Even though you've gotten points so far, now I'm going to compare them all, so what you sent me, and I will adjust your scores. So make sure that you that each fitness log is authentic. Okay, and the same thing is going to go for your cardiovascular logs as well. So just a reminder with your fitness logs, I want to see the date of exercise is worth 1 point, the bulk of the workout, which is going to be worth 5, be as specific as possible. The total duration of your workout, you'll get 2 points, and then how difficult your workout was on a scale of 1 to 10, you'll get 2 points. Okay, and then to submit that, you're just going to always look for the blue buttons. So click the start assignment, and then you'll submit your assignment to me. And last but not least, you have your cardiovascular assignment. And like I said, I'm going to look at your screenshots, and if I see that it's the same screenshot week after week, you're not going to get any credit. Even though you've gotten points so far, now I'm going to lay them all out, compare them all, make sure that you have, in fact, done at least 1 mile per week. Okay, so make sure that you are taking care of this. And I also uploaded an extra credit assignment for you guys. It's like a 5-mile run. You have the entire week to get it done. So if you do that, it's 10 points per mile. It's an extra 50 points. Okay. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to email me, reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you guys out. And then, just a reminder to submit this one. Always look for the blue button. But if you have any questions, please email me. I'll be happy to help you out, meet with you on Zoom, answer any questions you have. Okay. And those are your assignments for this week. And that'll take you to the next module. If you have any other concerns, if you need other alternatives to help you boost your grade up, please feel free to email me. Okay, thank you guys. Have a good week.